Hello, dear learner students. Welcome once again in the channel of Chemistry in Engineering. Guys, this is Dr. Jyoti Shegokar, and today we have to discuss the different questions that have been asking from number of years in the papers, that is in the university exam. Guys, as you know that our syllabus consists of different 6 units, as per which we have the different type of playlists given in our channel also. So all the units are having different type of topics, but what are the important topics that are frequently asked in the paper, that today we are going to discuss. So guys, I already wrote some questions on this board. That first you can see here that what is softening of water, explain zeolite process and ion exchange process. So guys, this is very important question according to the exam point of view, which will be asked from 5 to 6 marks. Sometimes only softener, draw the diagram of softener or write some importance about softener. Such type of question also asked, that write some information about zeolite softener, write some information and draw the diagram of ion exchange softener. Like that the question can be asked, guys. So this is very important question. Now next question, that is EDTA method as the complexometric method. This is also one of the important question which have asked number of times, 99% possibility that it is asked every time. So this is the second question. Now third, that we can see here a topic directly written, that corrosion mechanism for the wet corrosion. Particularly in corrosion, mechanism for the wet corrosion is a very core and important topic which is asked in the paper a lot. Next is a galvanizing and tinning, which are the methods for the protecting the metals from corrosion, or we can say that preventing from the corrosion or control from the corrosion. So this is also an important question which is asked for 3 to 6 marks. Differently it can be asked, or it may ask like this, that differentiate galvanizing and tinning. So this is also very important one. Now next is the nanomaterial preparation and its applications. As our second unit is having the point of nanomaterials, so in this, how these are prepared, chemical, physical and biological methods are given. So that methods can be asked, which include some that CVD method, then different type of sol gel type of method, it is included there. While the applications of nanomaterial can be asked for 2 to 3 marks, but it is very important one. Okay, now third unit, moving towards third unit, there is a topic of green computing, which includes green chemistry, its 12 principles. It is a very important question which is added in the NEP 2020. So just 2 exams are there, or 2 exams have undergone, and in both the exams the same question was there. That means there is a possibility of 100% of this question. Next is a green computing, green devices, green data server. This can be asked for 3 marks each for the different type of its key aspects and its importance for the engineering students. Guys, in the same way here, next is the e-waste. E-waste is an electronic waste, which is again in our third unit. What are the different constraints in managing that e-waste, and what are the different opportunities available? So that has been asked from both the times, that is all the 2 times. Next is the analysis of coal, which is a point of 4th unit, that is fuel. In the fuel, the coal analysis is a very important one. In that the 2 different type of points are there, proximate analysis and ultimate analysis. So both questions must be there in the paper. Sometimes they are either or they are differently, can also be asked for 5 to 6 marks every time. Okay, now here the next question which is given, that is cracking of petroleum fractions. So as we know, cracking can be done by different ways, its classification, and particularly the catalytic cracking with the help of the well-level diagram, it is to be explained. So that can also be asked for 5 to 6 marks, total explanation with the diagram. In this way, guys, in this different 4 units, these questions can be asked. Now we are going to see the next 2 units, what type of questions are important. So the next 2 units includes the lithium ion batteries, nickel cadmium batteries, which are the very important points. Like there are only 2 points, batteries and lubricants, in the second last unit. That means in the fifth unit. So out of that, only if you studied the batteries, that is in terms of its diagram, construction and working with functions, so it is sufficient to get the maximum marks. While next point is the fuel cell and green hydrogen. These are the very important topics that are recently added in our syllabus. So these are also very important by exam point of view. Now next is lubricant, its functions and its applications. So lubricants are studied in terms of its types, then functions and applications, different type of its mechanisms. But importantly, if you study only the functions and applications, it will be sufficient. Next is the greenhouse effect. This is the last unit, which includes environmental challenges and biochemical technology. Under these guys, the 2 to 3 points are very important there. That is greenhouse effect, which is also called as a global warming. With this acid rain, then different type of ozone depletion. These all 3 points are actually important. They are studied in terms of their causes, effects and consequences. So only the points are to be written. And last is the biochemical technology and bioinformatics. These both points are very important as they are newly added. And in this, the structures of DNA and RNA, functions of DNA and RNA, these are asked in 2 marks, small bits. So in this way, guys, this all is the important points which are possibly asked number of times and frequently they are asked. So guys, if you study these particular points which are very precisely given here in terms of its proper answers, then it will not be difficult for you to get the full marks and to be successful in your life. So guys, as you are staying tuning with me, thank you very much for that. If you are new for the channel, subscribe the channel, also hit the bell icon so that you can get the links or the notifications for the recently added videos. And guys, like the videos, share it to your friends who are needy for the same. So thank you very much. Thank you once again.